This 2023 Prime Time Crusader 395 BHL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Birch Run, Michigan, 48415 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.